Uh-huh. Who else's birthday is it?
Pop.
No, not Pop. Whose birthday is tomorrow? Caden and
Pop.
can we sing to Auntie Erin too? To who? Say happy birthday, Auntie Erin.
Happy birthday, Erin.
Happy birthday, Caden.
Happy birthday, Caden.
Can you look at the camera for a minute?
Happy
Can you say love ya?
I love you, Caden.
Aw, say ciao.
Ciao.
See you soon. Abby, can you say goodbye?